everyone, this is Haitham Javed with yet another very interesting episode of Labversity's Pakistan Studies. So in this class we're going to discuss about the results of the elections of 1936 and 37. So here we have this map of subcontinent from the year 1936 and 37. We'll go from one province to the other and see which party was able to win in those provinces and form the government. Starting with this easternmost province over here, and that is this province of Assam. So in this province of Assam, Assam Valley Muslims Party was able to win and formed a coalition government with Congress. Moving on to another eastern province, and that is the province of Bengal. In this province of Bengal, Krishak Praja Party led by Maulvi Fazlul Haq was able to form the government. Moving on to another eastern province, and that province is the province of Bihar. So in this province of Bihar, Congress was able to form the government. In another province, that is the province of Orissa, Congress formed the government over here as well. Moving on to the north, and that is the province known as the upper provinces. So in these upper provinces, once again, Congress emerged victorious and formed the government. At the center, we have the central provinces, and in the central province as well, Congress was able to form the government. Now going to this southern region, and in this southern region, Madras province was there, and in the Madras province, Congress formed the government. In this southwestern region, that is the province of Bombay, Congress was able to form the government over here as well. Now we'll move to the provinces that are now the part of Pakistan, starting with the southern province, that is the province of Sindh. So in this Sindh province, Sindh United Party was able to win and form the government. In the province of Punjab, the Unionist Party led by Sikandar Hayat Khan won and formed the government. Lastly, in the northwest, we have this province called the Northwestern Frontier Province, in which the party Khudai Khidmatgar was able to form the coalition government with Congress. So if we see these results over here, you can see that in all of these 11 provinces, it was the Congress party which was dominating. In some of the provinces, at least 5 of those provinces, Congress won with clear majority. In other provinces, it was also able to get some political influence. So you can see, in a way, these are 8 provinces in which Congress was able to win out of the 11 provinces. Now let us see some more statistics. So over here, we have this graph which shows the overall winning percentage of different political parties. Starting with, we have the Congress party, and it won 45% of the total seats. Secondly, then we have Muslim League, which won 6% of the total seats. Then we have other political parties which were able to win 25% of the total seats. And lastly, we have the independents, which were able to win 24% of the total seats. Moving on to another statistic over here, and that is the winning percentage on Muslims reserved seats. So we have this, that over here Muslim League was able to win only 22% of the total seats reserved especially for Muslims, and the rest of those were won by other Muslim parties. This shows the lack of confidence of Muslim voters on Muslim League. I mean, they're voting the Muslim parties in Muslim majority provinces, but they're not voting Muslim League. That's it for today. Thanks for watching Labversity.